Put it up there. We need to... Put it back on the table. Okay. This is serious. Because my foot scared me, and we need to burp for you. And we don't care what you think. Because we're going to burp anyway. So, here we go. That sucked. Like, honestly. That sucked too. God, chocolate milk is an asshole! Ew. Good.
Oh.
Okay.
Bitch. Ass. Oh, nigga.
Oh, give me the milk. Tori gets really excited whenever she drinks chocolate milk. Can you throw it up? Did you just throw up in the trash can? Did you just throw up in the trash can? Don't get near me! It's okay. I'm good though. I got that on camera! I'm trying so hard not to throw up again. That was bad. I'm crying too. I got a burp. It's like stuck inside me. Oh wait, I got stuck in air over here. Constipated. Like I have one stuck inside me. It's like huge. Oh god. Oh god. Oh shit. Oh shit. Wait. Oh god, I got one too. That wasn't it. Here.
Oh.
That was it. That's coming. Hold on. Don't try this at home. Mom's coming! That's my dog, by the way. She wants to come inside and burp with us.